Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing one of our brand new Dell Rugged laptops. This would be the Dell Pro Rugged 14. It's going to be a semi-rugged device, IP53 rated, going to be drop tested for 3 feet. As you may be aware, we are one of the only tier 1 vendors out there that do have a full-blown rugged lineup. We have clamshell devices, both fully rugged and semi-rugged, as well as our tablets in the fully rugged space. This is our 14-inch semi-rugged device. Let's jump in. Let's cut the seal. Alrighty, moment of truth. So ooh. You will see your warranty, safety, regulatory information in the box. You have your 65-watt AC adapter, 100% recycled plastic, which is great to see. Let's take a look at the notebook. Oh boy. I'm excited. Sweet. See this device? You do have the new Copilot key because this is one of the AI PCs, which is great to see. This is going to be the Dell Pro Rugged 14, so ton of innovation when you think about what we've done here. This gen, we've redesigned redesigned the port covers, and you can notice that right away. As soon as you pop that open, you will very easily be able to do that now, and that's based on a lot of the feedback. So I mentioned the Copilot key. We are in an era now where you are hearing a lot about AI PCs. So this will have the CPU, GPU, and NPU. This is going to be the 14-inch, so you are going to see the option to go all the way up to an 1100 nit full HD screen, so outdoor readable. You will see from a discrete graphics card standpoint, we can put in a RTX 500 ADA from NVIDIA. You're going to see the latest connectivity, whether, hey, you need 5G or Wi-Fi 7. You're going to see a lot of enhancements with regards to cold boot technology. So now we're going to be able to boot up in -20. Ton of innovation, IP53 rated, so can deal with the elements if you're in rain and things like that. Is going to be mil standard tested as well. You are going to see that it is drop tested for 3 feet. So looking at the device, you will see, on the back side, we've redesigned the Dell logo. So now really streamlined. You're going to see that weave texture over here, rubberized bumpers. You do have a handle, and then when you look at the back, you will see that you do have your passive stylus if you needed to do any quick note taking. You do have your pogo pins here for antenna pass-through if you're using this in a vehicle. Through our partnership with Harshest, Gamber Johnson, PMT, you can get some vehicle docking. When you look at the notebook, right, you do have your hot swappable batteries, so very quickly you're able to see that 53.5 watt hour battery right at your fingertips. This particular device has been configured with 2, so you're able to quickly see that. So a ton of innovation. So from a port perspective, very quickly, on the back, you do have your USB Type A. You do have your full-size RJ45. You will see your serial port. You will see your HDMI. Ton of options right at the back. And then on the back side, right here, you will see your SIM card slot as well as the SD. And then, your Thunderbolt port over here, and then you flip it around on the other side. Again, another Thunderbolt port, and then down here, your universal audio jack, as well as 2 USB Type A's. So a ton of configurability, a lot of options with regards to connectivity. Alrighty, so I've got the Dell Pro Rugged 14. This is the RB14250. All set up, ready to go. I've got some AI generated music playing in the background thanks to that NPU. From a speeds and feeds perspective, you are going to see an Intel Core Ultra Series 1, aka Meteor Lake. From a processor standpoint, you will see supportability up to 64 gigs of memory, 2 terabytes of storage. From the GPU perspective, as I already mentioned, you will be able to put in an NVIDIA RTX 500 ADA. So a ton of capabilities. Check it out. Rugged Control Center is a free tool that we have with our rugged devices. You will have some pretty quick information from a hardware perspective, device info. You'll be able to toggle some of the settings and things like that. So make sure you check it out. But again, this is our Dell Pro Rugged 14. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care. Bye now.